Hi everyone, welcome to Data Analytics blog. And if this is your first time on this channel, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button to receive updates on all the tutorials that I share every week. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing us how to use charts, charts to track the progress of our project or anything. Assuming you are trying to track something and you want to see the status of that particular project or that thing, you want to see the status, you want to show it presenting in a chart, you can actually use donut chart to actually create that. So, and as you are changing the status of your, what's it called, the status of your of your project, you will see the effect on the chart. You can see this now. As I'm changing it, I'm seeing the effect on the chart. Like this is the 90% complete, the green color represent complete, and the yellow color of the orange color represent incomplete, which is incomplete. So you can use any color to actually track that. So what I'm going to do now is to come to this place and start that. So now the first thing that I'm going to do is, assuming I'm having a 50% complete project and incomplete project, and I want to show it in a chart. So all you need to do is to insert your donut chart. Insert your donut chart. Or make sure you highlight it, highlight this, and insert your donut chart. Insert your donut chart. Then you can remove all the data or legend. You can just click here, this plot sign, click it, remove the, you see, uncheck the legend, uncheck anything there. So now we have this. So now the next thing that I'm going to do now is I'm going to right click here, click on the chart, right click and format data series. So now I'm going to increase the angle of the first slice. So you can see now that here we have different options. So I want to increase the angle of the first slice to 270. Then the donut hole size, I'm going to increase it to like about 60. We have that here to just increase the donut hole size to about 60. So you can still increase your donut size, your chart. You can increase it the way you want it to be. So again, now the next thing that I'm going to be doing is to format the chart color. So I'm going to format the chart color for this particular place, which represents the 100%. I'm going to set the color to white. So I'm going to right click and then come right there. You see the fill color, oh, and the border. I'm going to set the border to no line. I don't want to see the line. Then here the color, I'm going to set it to white. You can see this now. So now for this complete project, this represent complete, the blue represent complete, and the orange represent incomplete. So you can actually change the color to anything you want. So I'm going to change this color to this green to represent complete, and then this I'm going to change it to, let's see, you can change it to red to represent incomplete also. So now depending, just you can customize your own color as you want. So I don't want to see borderline between them. Now I have this now track. I have this now. So now the next thing that I need to do now, I want to format my chart. I want to insert, okay, this chart area, I want to format it too. You can actually work around it, format it. Then you can set this chart area to no fill. I don't want to see it fill. You can see it. So now the next thing that I need to do now, I want to insert this particular, I want to insert it, this number, I want to insert it. So what I need to do now, go to insert, then click on text block box. So now I have this here. Then come to this formula bar, then click equals to, and you know what we want to put there is the complete, the progress. The I want to show the progress of the complete to see the. So now I'm just going to bring it here, format it also to anything that you want. So now I need to format the shape. Click on this here, and then no outline, also no fill. No outline, no fill. So you can change the color also to green, or any color that represents your donut. Oh, that's the or any color that represents the chart, you can change it to that. So now I have that here. So this is simply how to create this chart. So now that means it's showing that it is 50% complete. So you can still click here to actually change this color to good. So it is 50% complete. This is 50% complete. So now if I click here now and show city, you will see the progress. If I choose 90, you will see that it's 90% complete and 10% incomplete. So that's how to create this donut chart. So you can add something you want to do. Maybe you want to add, or what's it called, you want to add anything, you can add it. But this, the main point is to get how to create this donut bar chart. You can see now that if I click anything, if I click the progress, maybe this progress is 30% complete. Oh, this progress is not moving forward, or 45% complete. So you can see that. So that's how to create or the progress chart. So the next chart that will be showing us how to create is this donut chart. This beautiful donut chart here. I'm going to show us how to create this donut chart. Also, it's also work like donut progress chart. Like if I have my project incomplete, let's say this one is 60% complete, you can see the way it's moving. So you can also create this chart. So let's just copy this, and I want to copy this and then put it in another place to do that. So assuming that I remove the, let's just remove the, no, I'm not removing the formula bar, I'm removing this. So now the first thing again, insert your donut chart. Insert your donut chart. Once you insert your donut chart, remove the legend and the title. So now I've removed the legend and the chart title. So now I will right click now to add new, what's it called, I will right click to add new, what's it called, series. So now, okay, the first thing that I need to do here now is, the first thing that we need to do is, first we just insert a donut chart. Insert a donut chart. We've inserted a donut chart. So now I will right click, sorry, I'm going to, I've missed this up. So we are going to insert our donut chart. Insert our donut chart. Then again, remove the legend, remove the chart title. So now I'm going to right click. I'm going to right click and then you select data. Once we right click, we select data. So now I'm going to add new data series. So now after clicking on add new data series, all I need to do now, you can click the series name as maybe project. That's okay. Then here, so for this place, I'm going to just click here and add as many number that you want. You can add as many as you want. I think this is okay. Then close the bracket and click OK. So click OK. So now we have this now. So we have a new data series that has been added to it. So now I'm going to select the new data series that we added and format it. So I'm going to select this now. I'm going to select this. then click on format. I'm going to click on format chart series. Then I will change this donut O to 50, and also format the new data series and change the colors too. So that's the next thing that we are going to do now. So now I'm going to change the donut O to 50. Okay, so I've changed the donut O to 50. Then I will right click on the chart and select new chart type. Change chart type, right click, and then select. I will make this series 1 as secondary axis. So make it as secondary axis. Can you see now? So now I will format the new chart and change the data series that you selected to no fill. So once we format this, format no fill. Can you see? So now, so you change it to no fill. So now you can now format the color. So now the next thing that I'm going to do now is to format the color. So now I'm going to format the color. Format the color. So before we change the data to no fill, we need to change this data series. We need to change the data series or the color of this new chart that we had there, this new chart. So you can just go back and change this color to, maybe let me just change this color to blue, or change it to any color that you want. I think I want this blue. You can just do transparency. Okay, let me just change this to that color. You can change this to this color. So now then from there we can now right click and change data series. You can now change data series and make this. You can make this. So now the next thing is select this and then make it no fill. I want to make it no fill. Then select the other one too. Okay, you just select one, select this, just this, then no line, make it no fill, then select these two, also no line, and change it to, let's say, white. Then you can now change the transparency. Can you see it now? Transparency, you can just change this, increase the transparency. You've increased the transparency. Now the next thing that we need to do now, again, you insert this or text box to actually tag the to input the complete project. So again, format that, and then you can format that particular shape, that text box. You can bring it here and increase the, you can increase the front also. Increase the front. Now if I'm changing this now, can you see that it's changing? Can you see that it's changing? So this is 50%, 40% complete. Can you see that it's changing? So the main point is just to show how to create a donut chart, different donut chart. You can use donut chart to create different things. You can use donut chart in a different way to create different chart. So I'm very sure that you've understand how to create this progress bar or chart, and also how to actually create this particular donut chart. So you can use donut chart to create anything. You can use it in different way to track your project or to track anything that you want to track in case you want to put it in a chart. And I believe that you've learned one or two things from this particular tutorial. Make sure you share your feedback in the comment section, like, share, comment, and also important thing, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also click the notification button to receive update from all the tutorial that I share every week. Bye.